this episode, we're going to restore the intake manifolds and the fuel rails, get them all cleaned up, and refurbish all the components associated with it, including some of the hardware, and just make sure these things look brand new. And then get everything ready for reassembly. Alright guys, next thing we're going to tackle in this video is how dirty these harnesses and these connectors are. I'm going to try to get these all squared away, get all this grime and nastiness off. And for that I got my little steam cleaner. Just purchased it. We're going to see how it goes. Guys, this is nuts. Oh, I didn't get the inside of the connector, but I mean, this thing, you can actually see the colors of the wires and everything. I'm gonna do the inside because I didn't catch the inside, but I mean, I thought this harness was black. It's actually gray. That's crazy. Alright guys, check that out. I mean, just brand new. That thing just blast away all the dirt. That was my finger, sorry. Got it dirty. All the connectors are basically ready to go. That's awesome. Here's all the brand new pieces. Exhaust manifold, intake manifold gaskets, intake manifold between the lower spider and the upper. So right here, this gasket that goes right here. Here's the new knock sensors that I went with. This is for the upper coolant hose. This is the coolant hose that was leaking. So you can see damaged here. I found actually that the exact same, that part number goes to this from O'Reilly's, 1 5/8". You can get it by the foot. So we'll be cutting that to length. This is a coolant temp sensor, some cushion rings for the injectors. I got new injectors on the way, a couple more of these. All the hardware went to the zinc coater to get blasted in zinc coated, so it's all brand new. This is the gasket for the bottom of the coolant neck. I had to make that one from a sheet of actual gasket because they don't make that part no more, it's discontinued. Harnesses all got wrapped, everything's ready to go, so we'll start doing reassembly now.